everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to DM someone on Jodel. So first of all, launch open Jodel application. You can see over here Jodel application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to DM someone on Jodel, you'll not be able to directly do it. Jodel is an anonymous platform, so if you want to message someone, first of all you'll have to send them the request. So in the home interface, you'll be able to find various posts over here. Simply tap on the post of the person that you would like to send the DM to. Now you can see over here that particular post will be opened. At top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to see OZ written. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. If you have the premium version of Jodel, you'll be able to unlock the full chat. Otherwise, you'll have to send the chat request. If you only want to send the chat request, tap on this option, chat request. If you would like to send the message along with the chat request, tap on this option, VIP request, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to send the VIP request. So what you have to do is type in your message over here. Tap on the field of type your message. Now after you do that, tap on this option, send VIP request, that you can see on the screen. Now if you have subscribed to the VIP plans, your VIP request will be sent. The message will stand out in their inbox, and after they accept your request, you'll be able to have a full conversation. So like this, you'll be able to DM someone. So that is how you DM someone on Jodel. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.